A bar blender is designed for making frozen drinks, and a food blender is designed for processing food. Seems simple, right? Bar blenders are pretty much intended to perform just as one function: turn ice, liquid, and sometimes fruit into creamy, smooth, frozen cocktails. Of course, bar blenders can do more than that, but creating frozen drinks is their primary function. To do the task, a bar blender needs a motor between 0.5 and 1 horsepower. Consistency from drink to drink is important, as is ease of operation. A simple on-off switch, and perhaps a high and low power switch is all you really need. Food blenders are designed to do a much greater variety of tasks with a greater variety of ingredients. A food blender might be used to blend frozen fruits for a smoothie, pure cooked vegetables for soup, or any number of tasks. To allow maximum flexibility in the kitchen, most food blenders have a large motor, typically 3 horsepower, with a wider variety of speeds. Think of all the chopping, pulsing, and movement needed to cut an onion or mincemeat rather than diced ice. Keep this in mind when buying for your business.